It looks like a transformer, I think. It's an old humidifier. So far, I found out this little plate underneath this thing, this little plate heats up. That thing pushes air, I guess. Really weird how it does it. Also kind of cools this at the same time, I guess. Really old looking. Okay, 104Z. Shh, be quiet. See, I'm busy right now. 473Z. 473Z. Yeah. Not even sure what that is. This is a little resistor. Capacitor? Maybe? This looks like a fuse. Yep. Not sure what the hell this means. Not quite sure at all. And these little things, I'm not sure. I have to say capacitor. Let me know what you think.